Hello students, today we will study about human body parts. So let's start. We have different body parts. For example, head, ear, eyes, nose, neck, chest, arm, hands, legs, foot. These are the parts which we can see and these are called external organs. You have seen different body parts in your last picture. Now I will tell you about these parts. Okay, first of all we take leg. Do you know these different parts have different work in our body? For example, legs help us to walk, kick, climb, run, hop, jog, dance and skip. When you go out to play with your friends, you must see that everybody is running with the help of their legs. In the same way, when you climb the stairs, you climb the stair with the help of your leg. Now, hands help us to eat, hold, write and lift things. We use our arms, shoulders and hands together to push, pull and throw things. For example, when you go to the school, you carry your bag on your shoulder and you carry your water bottle in your hand. Now come to the knee. Knee help us to bend down, squat and kneel. Whenever you want to take anything which is on the floor, you will bend down and then you pick that thing. While praying, playing and doing exercise, you use your knee to bend down. Our neck helps us to move our head left, right, up and down. For example, if you are doing something and suddenly somebody wants to talk to you, you never move your whole body. You turn your head towards him and talk to him. Now come to the back. Back helps us to stand straight and to bend forward and backward. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Skin is the largest sense organs. These sense organs help us to know about the things around us. We see this beautiful world with our eyes and praise the beauty of nature. Our ears help us to hear different sounds. Sounds can be loud or soft. Nose helps us to smell. Smell can be good or bad. For example, if your mama is cooking something for you in the kitchen, you rush toward the kitchen because you can smell the delicious food and you cannot stop yourself to taste it. Our tongue helps us to taste sweet, sour, bitter and salty things. For example, children always want to eat those things which are good at taste, but they do not want to eat those things which are not good at taste. If I give you 2 choices, either you want to eat ice cream or you want to eat bitter gourd, you may prefer ice cream because bitter gourd is bitter in taste. Skin helps us to feel hard, soft, hot, cold, smooth and rough surfaces. We touch things to feel them.
I have 5 senses. I see with my eyes. I see the frog jumping. I hear with my ears. I hear the bird singing. I smell with my nose. The roses smell good. I taste with my tongue. The candy tastes sweet. I touch with my hands. The ice feels cold. Whatever I do. I use